Good day. In today's video we will try to fix a problem with the boot. So no need to explain, you will just hear it. It's horrible, isn't it? And I'm pretty sure from factory it was not making that noise. So let's have a look at it now and try and fix it. Very often it's very easy to fix a problem. All we need to do is to locate where the problem is coming from, look at it, and if there's a part to be changed, then we change it. If it's something to be greased, we do it, etc, etc. Okay, so to fix this, common sense will be obviously to check what's happening when we open the boot. Okay, and from what I see, there's two springs that are there, just to make sure that this goes back up. But obviously what makes the noise won't be the spring that's inside, it will be where it actually make contact for it to open. So we're gonna have a look at this and see what we can do. Okay, so we are now inside the boot of the car, and here we've got the spring, okay, and here we've got the handle for the door, okay. But here, look here, it's where it makes contacts. So if I close the boot, you see that's where it moves. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place a lot of grease here on this side and on the other side as well, and we will see if there's a difference. I've placed a lot of grease, as you can see, but here, look, I can see there's rust. So something tells me that maybe here there's contact as well. So inside the spring where the tube is, I will place some grease as well and see what happens. Because if I close it now, let's see, it still makes noise. Okay, so let's try that now. For difficult access, I will also use the WD-40. I'll show you now. I've placed the oil on the spring and as well here on top, okay, where there's also a link here, the way this moves, okay. The grease and the WD-40 have been placed, and now we're just gonna check the difference, if any. Well, from what I can see, it's so much better. There's still a bit of noise, but it's not a problem. All I need to do is to double check all the moving parts, grease it, make sure that the grease penetrates inside, and normally the problem will be completely fixed. Okay, so I hope that you have found that video useful. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you want to be updated of the latest video, and until then, see ya.